boy!
Oy, wait! Bakit sa akin dapat yung camera nyo? Hello everyone! Nandito tayo sa birthday ni Gianna.
Hello!
Ayan. Of course, terno tayo ha. Terno tayo. Except with a B. At yun ngayon ng gender reveal.
Yes. Team girl ako si Papa Team Boy. Yun yung
Ikaw,
totoo, yun yung
team
totoo.
boy? Team boy ka?
Team girl.
Team girl. Ako team boy.
Oo.
Hindi, girl. Girl nga. Nalito tuloy ako.
Pustahan tayo, iiyak si Papa.
Ay, grabe ka.
Kasi pag boy.
Ayan. Dito po tayo.
Do you want to guard?
Bata. Oh, mama, ano hula mo?
Basta healthy. Basta
Girl,
healthy.
boy or girl?
Kasi iba-iba eh. Pag walang makeup, parang boy. Pag nakaayos, parang girl.
Oh, yeah. Anyway, it's her birthday today and yan. Ate Rowena.
Hello, sir.
Ano, girl o boy ka?
Ikaw.
Girl. Girl ako.
Girl ka, girl.
Si Gianna. So pretty eh.
Yeah. Ikaw, boy or girl?
I don't know. Probably girl.
Ikaw,
Ako, boy.
boy.
Team boy.
Team boy. Ikaw,
Team girl.
team girl.
Hindi, kailangan isa lang.
Ako, pag sinabi ko nung boy, lumabas girl. So, girl ako ngayon.
Ano ba gusto mo talaga?
Ako?
Girl talaga.
Basta okay yung baby, okay lang. Basta healthy.
Yes. Well, hi.
Doesn't matter. Boy, girl. My attorney.
I'm here again.
Here again.
Hi, guys.
So there you go. That was our little icebreaker
And
of
friends.
Jen and Gianna. Thank you guys. Hey, we're getting there. We're getting
Gender
there.
reveal.
But before we do the gender reveal, like I said earlier, it is the birthday of Gianna. So we have a cake, and we might as well sing happy birthday. And
Yes.
she is definitely going to be making a wish.
Oh, I have a cake.
Yes. She's like, are we going to light this one up? We light it from the top of this. It's like
Oh my
fireworks.
God.
It'll go down.
Parang fireworks yan.
All right, so here we go.
Say hi.
I'm so
The
nervous.
birthday girl. Ngayon mo lang malalaman yung ano.
Yeah.
Ngayon lang talaga malalaman yung gender ng baby niya. Asan, laki na yung
All
tummy.
right, so here we go. Let's all
Dami
sing
na.
happy birthday in 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to
Happy birthday to you. Make a wish, Deanna, and
Bakit ganun?
yeah! Up! Wala bang birthday gift? Sana! But obviously, it's
Ayusin mo, ayusin mo.
All So here we go. Family picture first. Family picture. So
Family picture.
let's have the family picture.
Ikaw. Naka-live na si Boss.
Dito na ako.
Sige lang. Dito. Suka konti.
Come on, let's get the family up here. That's for Deanna's birthday.
Okay na po. Okay, everyone, look here. One more, hold on. Okay guys, mas family hug pa ng konti. Ready? Thank you.
All right, happy birthday, Deanna. Happy birthday. Jets family. Tita. Come on up.
Ayan. So, gender reveal ng first baby ni Gianna. At due siya manganak this coming December. Yeah, we're all excited na malaman kung boy ba siya or girl. Kayo, anong hula nyo? Diga? Yung family ni Jed.
All right. Eto na.
Eto na!
Alright, everyone's ready?
Everybody's excited! Ayan! Ayan na!
I'll do it all.
Gianna! Who's going to open the box?
Go, Papa. Sige pa. Okay. Alright.
Mama!
Here we go. So,
Head, both sides.
Ito na. Ano hula nyo? Girl or boy?
this is it.
Who's going to open the box?
Diana!
Gianna!
Okay, everyone, we will do a countdown. Ready? In 10, 9, 8. Oh, wait. What happened? Oh, wait. Turn on your TikTok. Okay, na? Okay, let's rewind. Ready? In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's a boy! It's a boy! It's a boy!
Hey! Congratulations, Jen and Deanna, it's a boy!
Hey!
Congratulations, Deanna.
Oy, wait! Bakit sa akin nakatapat yung camera nyo? Sino? Ito po. Sabi ko na eh. Sabi ko na eh. It's a boy! Sabi ko, it's a boy. Yeah, look like me. Pogi. It's a boy. Tama ka, it's a boy. Reverse eh. Sabi ko, red, pero deep inside me, it's a boy. Happy lahat.
Sa bag! Ay,
It's a bag! Nahulaan mo? Hula mo, boy.
Nawala ako, boy. I felt it.
Ano usapan natin? Kamukha nino?
Papa!
Papa!
Oh my God!
Andito yung family po na family ni Jed, and of course the Bautista family, the Revilla family, at yung mga classmates niya, super close. Kaya yung mga hindi po naimbitahan, pasensya na. Pero enjoy po kami. It's a boy.
May bantay na si Ellie. May partner na siya.
Yeah.